Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Wajieha Tebasum, a proud student of ٹمریز. I have completed my intermediate first year boards and Alhamdulillah have secured 438 marks out of 440 marks from ٹمریز Rajendranagar Girls 1. I am very thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Shri Revant Reddy Sir, and the President of ٹمریز, Fahim Qureshi Sir, and also Secretary Tafsir Sir. They have been supporting ٹمریز for the upliftment of a better future. ٹمریز is a remarkable initiative which aimed at quality education. Joining ٹمریز was a turning point in my life. They have been providing a quality educations with well-experienced and highly qualified teachers. They have guided me in every step of the way. And I would also thank my parents who have supported me in my hard times and encouraged me everywhere. The ٹمریز has provided co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities for my overall growth and development. I am very thankful to everyone who have supported me in every situation. And ٹمریز has provided highly qualified teachers with better education and co-curricular activities for our betterment and future. The ٹمریز has provided a control room number which assists parents, public and the other general students, which inquires with academic, health and hostel facilities. Thank you.